how to record particular screen in OBS. First, open OBS Studio. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the Sources panel. Start by hiding any existing sources by clicking the eye icon, so everything is disabled. Next, open the window you want to record. For this example, I'll use a folder, but you can choose any app or window. Now go back to OBS, click the plus icon in Sources, and select Window Capture. Give it a name, then click OK. In the Window drop-down, choose the window you want to record. You'll see a preview on the screen. Leave the capture method on automatic, and keep the cursor option checked if you want your mouse to be visible. Click OK. If the window doesn't fit properly, right-click on it, go to Transform, and select Fit to Screen. You can also adjust its position manually. Now select the source you just created and click Start Recording. OBS will now record only that selected window, even if you switch to other apps or work in the background. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.